Hello there. Today we are going to learn mobile app development in this session. As everyone has a mobile phone for multiple purposes like calling, messaging, gaming or educational purpose, here are some examples of Android phone. Let's learn basics. Android is a mobile software platform that is OS from Google and Open Handset Alliance. It is powered by the Linux kernel. The underlying OS is written in C or C++. Applications are built using Java. This is the list of Android versions available in market like Cupcake, Donut, Eclairs. Latest version is Pie. Now let's see what are the features of Android. It is open source. It reduces development cost, large user base, application integration, powerful operating system, GSM technology, optimized graphics, media support. Why to learn Android? The best part about Android operating system is its features of being open source. A lot of electronics manufacturers like Samsung, HTC have got access to the code which makes it easy for them to use it in their smartphones. There was a time when we all looked up to the iTunes stores from Apple and sometimes getting an iPhone was nearly impossible. But with the Google Play Store and Android smartphone access to apps has become too easy for all. Over 60% of Android apps are for free. This graph is just an assumption of a person having knowledge of Java and where he or she could go from there. Here it clearly shows that application development is one of the promising career path for professionals who just love creating apps. Gradual learning curve. Learning Java or XML. Where Java, it's important to know Java because the Android applications have Java coding in it. XML. Secondly, XML is the second most important skill for Android app development since it enables you to work on the app layout and design. Install IDE, start coding, test and launch. Download Android Studio. To program in most languages, you need a piece of software called an IDE or Integrated Development Environment. The most common IDE for Android development is Android Studio, which comes directly from Google itself. It is an open source.